guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to share that how to delete your Facebook deleted post or how to delete your Facebook posts from trash. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap on the three lines to open up this menu and tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down a little bit and then you'll find an activity log option. Just simply tap on it. Here you can see a trash option. Just simply tap on it. In your trash option, you'll find all of your deleted posts on Facebook. If you want to delete them, you can simply select them by tapping at this all, or you can select them one by one like in this way. So now if you want to delete them, just simply tap on that three dots and tap on delete and tap delete to continue. Once you tap at delete, it will ask for your password. Once you give your password and you tap at submit, you are done by deleting your deleted post on Facebook. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you.